Hello guys, my name is Ile and this video is going to be for all of you who love and collect WOW TCG cards. Not only the loot cards, but the actual cards itself. So today we're going to talk about this card, Lord of Icecrown. It's a Blizzard Promo card, Blizzcon 2010, 1 out of 1. I don't know if you can see it. So basically it is an employee only card, so it was given only to Blizzard employees. It is a really nice card to have if you are a collector, and if you happen to have one, just know that this card has some value. As you can see, it has some really nice picture. At the picture you can see Bolvar 4-Dragon. So for all of you who know the WoW lore, you probably know that this is the paladin who suffered a lot, and it was altered by the Dragon Flames. And after Arthas the Lich King was defeated, this paladin takes the helm of domination and becomes the new Lich King. So as you can see, it is a really nice foil card, Lord of Icecrown. A lovely card. On the bottom, I don't know if you can see it, it says, "Tell them only the Lich King is dead and that Bolvar 4-Dragon died with him." So basically this tells the tragic story of this paladin, who at the end becomes this abomination, but also the great sacrifice he makes to hold the Scourge at bay. The condition of the card is really good. There are no scratches, it doesn't show any marks or signs of wear and play. So basically this is a mint card. The pricing of this card varies. Back in the days, this card was really expensive, so it was like $150. But today, the price of the card is somewhere around $50. So basically, as I said, for all of you who love to collect it, and all of you who have it, just know that the card is around $50 value. So if you buy it around $50, you made a good deal. Anything less than $40 is probably gonna be an awesome deal. So I hope you liked this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, so subscribe, and I probably will make some more videos in the future.